This bird is eating stones, but not because it's hungry. Did you know? Birds don't have teeth. They can't chew their food like we do. So, to solve this, they swallow small stones. These stones go into a special organ called the gizzard. Inside, the stones grind seeds and hard food, like a natural blender, inside their stomach. Many birds do this. Chickens, pigeons, even ostriches, and surprisingly, some dinosaurs long ago used the same trick. So, when you see a bird pecking at stones, remember, it's not strange. It's their smart way to eat without teeth.